Welcome back! Today we create the teeth for our character, upper jaw and lower jaw. First we place the cursor in the middle, adding a new plane. In edit mode, we edit an edge loop in the middle. Select the vertices here on the right side and delete them. Then we're adding a mirror modifier. Then select a plane, scale it down, but first activate clipping and name it lower jaw. Now scale it down to wireframe mode and scale it much lower and place it here. Scale it down along the x-axis. So that will be good. Select the vertices here, backside, and scale it down along the y-axis. Select everything and place it over here. Select the vertices here outside and now start modeling. Rotate a little bit. E, extrude, rotate, extrude, rotate, rotate, select these vertices here and rotate just a little bit more. Extrude, now that looks good. Let's go here to the outliner, object mode, and give our character a name and hide the character. And now here in edit mode we extrude the lower jaw along the z-axis. Extrude one more time and scale it on the bottom. So it matches exactly the mouth from our character. And then select the vertices here on the bottom and move them more inside and turn off the character again. And now we start with the teeth, and for this we add a new plane in edit mode, so that we have only one object. You can edge loop in the middle, select the vertices here and delete, that we have the mirror. Then select all the vertices from the new plane without clipping and scale it down. This is our first teeth, the mirror. Scale it down. little bit more and place them over here. Front view, along the Z-axis, move it up. Let's have a look how it looks with our character. Scale it down along the Y-axis, move it along the X-axis more in the middle. Subdivide. Select the vertices here, outside and in the middle, and scale them along Y-axis and also here. Along the X-axis. Move them a little bit more outside. Scale it down along the Y-axis. And now E for extrude along the Z-axis. Select the vertices on top, just in the middle here. I mean only this one, and move them more up along the Z-axis. Adding a subdivision surface modifier. See how it looks. And now we're coming closer to our teeth. Then select everything, back to wireframe mode, and move them more in front along the Y-axis. Select everything and move them more in the middle along the X-axis. And then select the lower part and move them more downside along the Z-axis. Select the top and scale it down along the X-axis. You see here that it always connects with the other teeth on the right side. Duplicate with D. Place the 3D cursor here and rotate just a little bit. Place the teeth here. Select only these vertices here and move them more inside so that it doesn't have contact with the other teeth. Select everything and rotate again. And select only these vertices here and move them more inside. And also these vertices here. Now select with L only the lower part here. Deselect the vertices here and move this part here a little bit more inside. L, select the teeth and duplicate with D. But let me look, just delete that and select this teeth here, duplicate and scale it or up along the y-axis, because the teeth here outside are more bigger from the thickness. Select only these two vertices here and place them over here. Let's see how it looks. Not bad for now. Select the teeth with L. And duplicate with D. Then select only the vertices here and place them over here. And the original Ice Age character has 8 teeth on the lower jaw, and it looks really good. Absolutely. But we can change a little bit on top. Just move the teeth a little bit more inside the part on top, so that they are more aslant and not straight. Same thing we can do with this teeth. Go to wireframe, view, select only the part on top and move this part more inside. In object mode, with right click, activate smooth shading, and the lower jaw looks great. Same thing we do now with the upper jaw. Place the cursor in the middle. In object mode, adding a new plane. Go to edit mode, adding a loop in the middle. Select the vertices here outside with select box, delete them, adding a mirror modifier, activate clipping and scale it down, wireframe mode, place it here in the middle, scale it down along the Y, along the X-axis, and again, place it here, front view, place it exactly here, then change to side view along the Y-axis, just place it over here, and on top view, select only these two vertices here and start modeling. Rotate and more inside along the Y-axis. And then select only the vertices here outside. rotate and extrude. Same thing we did with the lower jaw. Now we add a new plane in edit mode for the teeth. An edge loop in the middle. Select the vertices outside and delete them. Select everything. Only the new plane. And scale it down. Place it over here. And start with the front teeth. Now we select the upper jaw and apply the mirror modifier. Go to edit mode, select the left front teeth here and rotate, because this teeth is really a slant from this character, and rotate it also to the right side. Select the right teeth and place it more in the middle. Select only these vertices here and move them more inside. We select these spot teeth here. Deselect all the vertices, we need only on top. Go to top view and move them more inside, like that. Select everything and deselect all the vertices. We need only the lower vertices here from all the other teeth and short them. Scale them more inside along the z-axis. On butt front teeth we can adding some edge loops. Select the upper jaw and then in edit mode with R, adding an edge loop here. Looks much better. And also here, adding another edge loop. And now we need a material, so hide the character. Go to edit mode. Select only the lower part here from the lower jaw. Adding a new material and name it jaw. And something like that. Let's have a look in the material preview. Now we get everything in this color. Change a little bit. This is too much. And that looks great. And then we select only the teeth, adding a new material. And name it teeth. Assign the new material to object mode and we get this white. Now we select the upper jaw and do the same thing here. Select only the part here on top. Choose the material from jaw. Then select the teeth. And choose the teeth material. You can also model your teeth with more details with sculpting and retopology and texturing them, but for now you're good to go with that. If you want to bring your character design skills to a new level, then join to our live webinar. Just click the link in the video description to check out when is the next date. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.